Now we're left with laundry, like the last load that I have to do, and I'm wearing this big head, this big head because I did my hair, and my maintenance video will not be up until the 22nd or 21st, I don't know, but yeah, between those dates. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And we have new subscribers. We have new subscribers here. The new subscribers. Oh my god, we are at 290. Lord, we are at 290. I'm so thankful. I love you all. I appreciate you for subscribing, watching my videos, liking, commenting. I love everything. I appreciate you. So please keep on staying tuned and like and turn on post notifications so that you keep on staying tuned, you know. And yeah, I appreciate you for subscribing and for my OG babies for staying subscribed. I love you all so much. We're at 290. That is a lot. Literally, that is a lot. So I'm giving you a big visual hug, a big type visual hug. I love you all so much. So yeah, let's continue. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Maintenance vlog will be coming. Follow me on Instagram so when I announce, you know. And this is my Instagram. Babies. Go and follow. Check on my stories. I love to update you. Yeah. Oh babies, my mate. Wait, I keep thinking that she made gingerbread. Can I eat garlic? Garlic bread. Even though I'm gonna get heartburn, I'm gonna eat it. Yeah. Hey beauties, here is our garlic rolls. I forgot to glaze it with egg. Before you put it in the oven, you have to glaze it with an egg. But I'll make a detailed video about this on my Let's Cook and Bake segments so that you can see how I did this. This came out much better than the first one that I've tried. So yeah, this is what we are going to have today. Bye beauties.